Hey guys, I just wanted to, I should say, look back on the plans that I made and see what's been done and what still needs to be done. So I've done quite a bit of it. Like I had to move the maple tree, I've moved that. I had to neaten that front edge, I've done that. And I moved that euphorbia yesterday. I didn't record that. Oh, I think I might have some footage. I moved that. And then the other, oh yes, I moved that cubic frost to the other side. And then I was going to do um, repetition with the plants to do to get some sequencing going. So I've started that, and I need to continue because I didn't do this section that I wanted to do. So the other thing that I have, it's a major thing, is the raised bed that I was going to build up on the other side. Now, before I do that, I wanted to do a practice raised bed, and I'm going to practice here on the small little slope here. So I'm going to put some stones there, fill up some soil, and see how it holds. And then it gives me an idea of what's going to happen on the other side when I start doing that, because that's a bit more, it's a bit higher and it has a bit more of a slope. So I need to stack those stones properly. Here I've brought in some just whatever rocks I had in the garden, and I'm just going to dig it in a bit and then fill up some sand and see how we go. So let me start doing that, and I'll just I think that plant is blocking you so you can't see what I'm doing, so I'll bring the camera closer. So this is the spot. Let me just show you before I start digging. And so it's here. You can see there's a bit of a slope here, and I'm just going to fill in soil there, and I just put these stones. I might need a few more stones. Yeah, let's see how we go. I'm just gonna dig a little. I don't know how the sound is here. So if I make a sort of a groove, the rock will settle in there and hold better. Okay. I'm hoping that the soil will hold. Once I put the soil in, it will hold these rocks in place and create that bank. Oh, this rock is so nice. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna be enough soil. Oh, this one's ugly. Oh, you know what I can do is dig this up a bit and then fill in the soil. Yeah. Yes, I level this out. That will be better. I got one more rock. That's better. Look, that's looking like a little bed here now. Let me stand up and then I'll fill soil, and then I'll get this full with soil till this step here, and then it'll start looking like a little bed. See, it's already looking like it. This rock looks out of place. Okay, let me see if I can move that. Yeah, that looks better. So that I just needed something small, so that's okay. We fill the soil and plant. I've got these two to go here. So these are the herbaceous. They are ground cover, so they'll grow and fall over these rocks. That's what I'm hoping. Oh. Let's check them both out and see how they look here, and then I'll space them. How come they're so wet? This one's got, oh, yeah, that will look good. Let me get it in the ground. It will have good drainage here, so that's, I don't have to worry about that because of the little slope here. It should be fine. Oops. I'll fill in some more soil. Yeah, this one's too high. This one's okay. Oh, I need to dig some more. Yeah, that's better. It looks so cute. I can put so many other things here now. Oh, I like this little raised portion. I just hope. Oh, let me shove some rocks here so the soil doesn't wash away. I'll have to be careful when I'm watering. I need to do gentle watering. Oh, let me show you. I'll throw this ugly rock here inside. Yeah. Okay, from this angle, you can see that step there by the front porch, and this is where it is. And it's not such a huge raised portion. Let me go back and I'll show you. But at least I have an idea, and that side is going to look so pretty. I can't wait to do that now. I need to get right rocks for that section, and then I can start it. I'm hoping these grow and spur over here, and I planted them here because they are soft plants, and when I open the hose reel they won't get damaged like the succulents. They break so easily if anything hits them. So cute. Oh, I'm loving it. May bend down here. Oh, look. Ground level view. What a cute corner. It was just wasted space by this edge of this porch. Yeah, so at least I'm getting done with all my plans and my little projects. And the other one, this is the big step. So that was just a practice for this section here. I need to line up all these stones and stack them up properly. I'll have to dig out a portion there. I think that's what I did there to get the rocks to set. And then I can, I hope the wind is not bad. And then I can plant there as well. So that's it. So this was unplanned, but this was a practice round. And I love how this practice round looks. Looks so cute. Let me go around and show you from this angle. Oh, look how cute. The other thing that I planned on doing, which I didn't have on my list, was, but it was at the back of my mind, was to plant up these two black pots that I had. One I had emptied, and the other one had this. It's got this ionium, so I'm just gonna empty them out. And you can see I put in some new plants, and I'm going to leave it here in front of our outdoor porch area so we can look at it every time we sit here. And even though it's so close, I know I'm lazy to water it, so I have to do succulents that I don't need to water all the time. And yeah, you can see how that's come out. So it, from far, it actually looks like Krusty the Clown, the green ends, the green Senecio on two sides, and then in the center the white silver spoon, and then I've just added that little misty to trail down the pot. So hopefully it fills out nicely, but yeah, that they should do fine. The succulents are hardy. And that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this little practice project. And yeah, so next week I hope to get started on that major raised bed, and I can't wait to start planting in it. So I will catch you next week. Bye.